Do you want to post a video on Facebook Story? You can upload a video to Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To post a video on a Facebook Story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on Create Story at the top of your newsfeed. A new screen will appear with your device's pictures and videos. Now, select a video or record a new one using the camera. Once the video is added, you can trim or split it if it's longer than the allowed story length. After editing, you can add text, effects, or music to customize your video. When your story is ready, tap on the Share button to post it. Your video will now appear in your Facebook Story for your friends and followers to watch.